Hello and good afternoon. We're here at Gaylord Palms to experience Mission Save Christmas with Buddy the Elf. Me and Lindsay have been coming here for right around 6 to 7 years now and continuously come because it is one of our favorite Christmas activities that's really close to actually where we live, so it's not that far. But we love coming here and we want to share it with you. So come along with us as we go and try to save Christmas and see all the other festivities that they offer here. And let the mission to save Christmas begin. We're gonna enter, show our tickets, and we're gonna show you what it's like inside. Aw, and let the adventure begin. Look, there's a narwhal breaking out of the ice. And look at the extra little touches with the candy canes in the back. This is perfect. Right across from the narwhal, you can have pictures of candy canes. They have a lot of great photo ops here. These are amazing photo ops. You can sit right on down and get a great photo. Oh my gosh, look, Mission Save Christmas. And look, we're gonna go into Santa's workshop. This is gonna be really, really exciting. Oh no, Christmas spirit. We need to get that way back up in the red. It doesn't look like it's doing so well. It looks like we've got a lot of work to do. Looks like we need to build some stuffed animals. And of course, make that little tricycle or bike. Oh, the Code of Elves. Treat every day like Christmas. There's no room for everyone on the nice list. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is to sing loud for all to hear. Really good. We should all live by that. And they have these really amazing games. Lindsay's gonna play one for us so we can actually see what it looks like. These are amazing little touch screens, or I should say big touch screens. Oh, looks like you have to spot the difference for this. Uh-oh, one passed already. Oh, two passed.
Oh no.
Oh, she's got four that passed so far. Oh no. She needs to pick up the space. Oh my gosh, look at this quote. You have such a pretty face. You should be on a Christmas card. I love this movie. Probably one of my favorites for this Christmas season. It's up there with a lot of other ones. They've got so many quotes from the movie. It's just nice to be another human who shares my affinity for elf culture. They even have Whack-A-Clown. Let's see what Lindsay can get as a score.
Start checking those tickets. Wait for permission to save Christmas.
Oh, up to 40, 60, 70. She's doing pretty well. Oh my gosh, they just keep popping out all over the place. Oh my gosh, she's almost up to 300. That's great. 370. That's really impressive. Oh, like Lindsay said, oh, we're saving Christmas. We're up to 30. We're getting there with our Christmas spirit. The 4 essential food groups for elves: candy canes, candy corn, candy, and of course, syrup. And we're gonna make a custom cookie. All right, what is she gonna pick? Uh-oh, of course, chocolate, one of her favorites. Stir the correct ingredients into the tray.
Find the sugar. Oh, sugar. Butter.
You just put the ingredients right from the cookie tray into the bowl. Oh, now you get to choose sprinkles, candy canes, candy corn. Wow! There's a whole bunch of different ones that you can pick. Making a Christmas tree. That's a really long name. Cookie is complete. Looks like a really nice cookie. And we're halfway there on the Clausometer. 50, got still a ways to go, but we're gonna do this. Oh, I wonder if we're gonna go on an adventure to New York City to go find Buddy the Elf's father. And this is so cool. Look, Smiling's my favorite. Oh my gosh, look at this. We stepped into the department store. That is a lot of gifts.
And don't forget your mission to save Christmas.
There's so much to see here, and lots of great photo opportunities. Even wrapping paper. Now look. Oh, even the model of New York City. And of course, welcome Santa. They have his chair set up right in front of this big gingerbread castle, it looks like. Those nutcrackers look really inviting. All right, we want to go to all the floors. Lindsay, go for it. Oh, she's lighting it up just like a Christmas tree. And look, you can even be on the dance floor where Buddy the Elf would be breaking it down on that little platform.
80%.
Oh, Lindsay's busting a move. Here we go. This is so amazing. Look, there's a jukebox. There it is. Deck the halls. Wish you a Merry Christmas and jingle bells. Yes, we're getting the closet meter even further up. We're at 80. We're getting there. Oh my gosh, you can even have a snowball fight, just like the movie. We're gonna have Lindsay get on and start shooting the snowballs. Fire! Snowball launcher to start. Oh, get her! Oh no, Lindsay's missing. She's not doing a great job. This is so cool that it's interactive. And besides the little cannons that you shoot to have snowball fights, they actually have little balls that you'll be throwing at the screen, and it's interactive too. This is so cool. And look at this photo op. You can actually get in Santa's sleigh with all his gifts. Look at those presents. I would love to deliver those. And this looks just like Guitar Hero. Got to match up the buttons so that way you can actually play the song. Oh. So far only got 2. And I love that Buddy the Elf is in the background.
You did it!
Oh, and we did it! Congratulations! The closet meter is at 100%. We completed it! Yay! Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Buddy the Elf, son of a nutcracker. Now, if you do want pictures with Santa, you can come to Santa's workshop. He's not in there right now, but you can go in there and get a great photo op with him. This is what it looks like in Santa's workshop. Now, of course, if you do want to make a gingerbread house or any sweets, they have the Alpine Sweet Shop. Look at this. I love how festive it is. And of course, you can get story time with Mrs. Claus. They are already seated, as you can see. But you'd go right on there and she would tell you a great story. Now let's head over to the Snow Factory and actually see what is here. Because I know that they do have sledding, so that's one of the excitements over here. And here is the sledding experience at Gaylord Palms. Now, of course, they do also have the snow bar with specialty cocktails. Now, of course, you can build snowballs and actually throw them into different obstacles here and get a scoreboard. How cool is that? They literally have a mixture of everything here. After you build your snowballs, you throw them in those little circles right there. Of course, trying to get the highest score you can. Now, besides everything that they have to offer up here in the Alpine Village, they do also have a show we're gonna try to go see that and actually go walk around the lobby and show you what that looks like. Because there's some really great things here. Here is a list of everything that they offer while you are here. Oh, look, they have a Key West here. This is really relaxing to have this fountain and have that sign in the background. We will actually be going to Key West in the future. And look at this, there's floating Christmas trees. They do have a whole bunch of different trees while you're walking around the resort that you can take pictures next to. And a big sailboat. Now that is a dining location that you can actually come and experience while you're here at Gaylord Palms. And here's a look of their stage where they kind of have a performance like Cirque du Soleil. But this is a really cool little experience, so if you do get the opportunity to come and see it, highly recommend it, especially with that big tree right there in the background. They do have dancing lights at night also. And that's gonna do it for today's adventure. Thank you so much for coming along with us to Gaylord Palms and saving Christmas. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can get notified every time that we come out with a future video. Thank you again. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.